Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your PayPal email address. First, log in to your PayPal account using your current credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, which often looks like a gear. Click on it to access your account settings. This is where you'll manage your personal information and preferences. It's a straightforward process, and we'll go through each step together to ensure a smooth update. Next, within your settings, locate the email addresses section. You'll see your current email listed there. To add a new one, click on the plus icon or the Add a New Email option. Carefully type in your desired new email address twice to ensure accuracy, then click Add Email. PayPal will send a confirmation email to this new address, which is a crucial step for verification. Now, check your inbox for the confirmation email from PayPal. Open it and click on the provided link to confirm your new email address. Once confirmed, return to your PayPal settings. You'll now see both your old and new email addresses listed. To make the new one your primary, select it and click Set as Primary. This ensures all future notifications and transactions are linked to your updated address. Finally, with your new email confirmed and set as primary, you can safely remove the old one if you wish. Simply select the old email address from your list in the settings and click Remove. Always double-check that your new email is correctly set as primary before removing the old one to avoid any account disruptions. This completes the process, ensuring your PayPal account is updated with your preferred contact information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.